Hi boys and girls, this is another video. Hope it's running. Get a little coffee. My niece is with me and she's puttering in the house someplace, making sure I don't have anything dangerous. This is another video, and I don't remember if this is Tuesday or Wednesday or Monday, so it's alright. It's not going out until afterwards. So she's putting around checking things, and she made me a chicken pot pie. Okay. Just tired, kids. First thing off, we gotta mention our friend, Will Patriot, and his 1776 giveaway. Please help him, folks. That's Will Patriot. Check him out. Really good guy. Also check out Typical American. Also a really good guy. That over there. This is what a socialist worker in California. She's a Republican, but she wasn't prepared and it got to her. Today we're going to talk about how to make money. Not the old ways. We're breaking all the rules. This is, I think, number 3. Lesson 3, free money. Okay, we're breaking the rules. This is to help her out. And this is also to help out AKFab. She needs 500. She's getting close. And so is Cheryl Hirsch, 500. Let's help her out, folks. Go over there, watch a few videos. They're in a bind like Uncle Alan, except they're not under house arrest. I call it house arrest. It's just bed rest. And my nephews and nieces and my sister, my mom is watching me. It feels like a gulag here. Put that over there. Okay, first thing, remember I told you is you want to save up in cash $2,500 in a red state. This is simple as pie. Non-threatening fork. Okay? See that? In a red state. In a blue state, you want $4,800 in cash. This is cash, folks. Keep it simple. Keep it in 20s, 50s, and 100s. Sometimes a small amount of 1s will help too, and 5s. Now, once we reach that goal and we have enough money for a passbook, this is called leverage. Now, leverage is used like our friend, put this away, AKFab was going to try to find an emergency apartment, but she has bad credit. But if she had $10,000 in a passbook savings, that's leverage that she can use. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I wrote down notes. Lesson 3, understanding the money game. Eliminate all bad credit, create a budget, and stick to it. Now, if somebody stole your identity and give you a bunch of bad credit, you can go to a lawyer, you go to a finance agency, and they'll help you out, correct your credit. Also, get a judge to sign off. That wasn't your bad credit. You didn't cause it. It was a criminal. Second, you want to follow your money, making this simple as possible. 4 simple steps. Follow the money and your passion. Don't follow the old rules. I always repeat that. Work hard and sacrifice. Now, you cannot do the same rules that we were taught. Their grandfather or great-great-grandfather was, you make a product, you get a brick and mortar store, and you try to sell the product or sell it out of your truck or stand or any of those. They don't work anymore. So we quit that. All right? Second, you want to save money, like I showed you before. You want it in cash and you want some in a bank. All right? Minimize all spending. All right? If you're making $10,000, you want to minimize your spending to about maybe $2,000 or $3,000. And the rest goes into what? Savings, building up equity, building up credit. Okay? Value your money. Now, a lot of people grab the credit card really quick. Stop that. Okay, if you have a bunch of credit cards, consolidate into one, get a good rate on it, destroy everything else. Okay, 4 steps. Invest money wisely. I have to repeat myself, invest money wisely. A lot of people still don't understand that one, and that's going to be two to three different lessons down the street. These are free money lessons. I'm just covering the basics. If you want a more extensive one, you should hire Uncle Alan and spend 2 hours with a bunch of books and me with a large this over your head, because they never taught you this in college or high school. What did they teach you in college? Afro-American studies. If those Afro-Americans were still alive, they will use this and beat you over the head many times. All right? They will tell you you have to follow the rules, the new ones, not the old ones. Right? Think, kids. Think for yourself. All right? Invest money wisely. Good. Create an e-business, not brick and mortar. Brick and mortar is really hard nowadays, and a lot of you don't have the skills. Create a positive income flow. That's, let's say you make $10,000 a month. $2,000 should be paying your expenses. That's everything from rent, eat, car, insurance, medical bills, whatever you got on the line. The second part is part of your savings, cash, and also this passbook saving. All right. A lot of people screw up this. I keep saying 7 streams of income, and what they think is, well, I'll get some rocks or some fat wood or make some leather stuff, and I'll make money from that. Yes, you do, but you're not making enough money to countermeasure your spending. If you make, let's say, $1,000 in spending, if you make leather goods and they pay you $1,000 for it, that's good. But your expenses run $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. Is that $1,000 going to help you? No. And that's why people get deeper into debt and they're confused. They think if they work harder, longer hours and stuff, all it gets you is you look like Uncle Al first. That'll scare the hell out of your wife or boyfriend or anybody going, okay? You want to create 7 income streams. Now, the rich knows it. I know it. I learned it from them. They taught me, and we'll discuss that in a different lesson. But right now, the simplest income stream is making products with your hand. That's nickel and dime stuff. I've seen a lot of YouTubers do this to get money. We'll review items and tell all sorts of stuff. Or we'll show them wonderful scenery. Or something else, wear this beauty product. Or it shows me how big my breast gets. Or this kind of clothes. Those types of reviews are called nickel and dime. No self-respecting millionaire will nickel and dime his assets. This is why I only did 1 review on a certain item, which was caffeinated mints. I thought that was a good idea, and I still think it is. Like caffeine gum. But like I said, I think it's a very good idea, and I think it would work. But the trouble is, that's nickel and dime stuff. Okay? If you have a product that you made, or you're dealing with a product that you're trying to sell, it is called nickel and dime stuff. You're not going to be a millionaire. You're going to get some income in, but at the same time, it's going to cost you more in bills and expenses. So let's cut out the middleman and use our heads. And that'll be our next lesson, I think number 4. I think it's number 4. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. I'm sorry this was a little bit long. But you're on your phones and you're still wondering what the heck's going on and why can't I be a millionaire? Bye.